Hey friends, welcome to my channel Book Studio. Today we are going to talk about Ruskin Bond's book Rusty Comes Home. This book was written by Ruskin Bond when he came back to India in the year 1955 from London. This book consists of around 220 pages and it costs about 250 rupees. It is also available in the ebook format which costs around 173 rupees. I have given the link of this book in the description box below. You can check it out. Before talking about the book, let's talk about the author, that is Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author. He was born in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh. When I was a child, I considered Ruskin Bond to be a foreigner because of his unusual name. We don't hear generally people with name as Ruskin Chaurasia or Gautam Singh Bond. That is why it was hard for me to believe it. Ruskin Bond wrote his first novel at the age of 17. I remember that when I was 17, I could not write even a proper essay. Besides writing the book at such a young age, Ruskin Bond got his book published and won a John Rice Memorial Prize in 1957 in London. Since then, Ruskin Bond has been writing books and he has written over 50 books and 500 plus short books, novels, essays and other things. His literary work is also a part of ICSE and CBSE curriculum. So that is why most of the ICSE and CBSE students know him. Recently, on his 86th birthday, his new book got published, which was titled as Hop. He received the Sahitya Academy Award in 1993, the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. Ruskin Bond has developed a character, an imaginary character Rusty, through which he conveys his feelings to his readers. Now let us talk about his book Rusty Comes Home. Rusty Comes Home was written in the year 1955 when Ruskin Bond returned from London. He lived in Dehradun, Delhi, Shahganj and several other places. So this book is a series of incidents which he witnessed after he came back from London to India. This book is basically short stories, a collection of short stories, because every chapter deals with a different incident which he faced during his journey or after his journey. Many people say that Ruskin Bond writes book for children or for people those who are of young age. But after reading this book, Rusty Comes Home, I did not find that he writes book for young people or children. These books can be read by. I found this book to be very humorous because Ruskin Bond has narrated his incidents in a very funny way. One incident Rusty described from his life was that when he was of a young age, then he was unable to sell his books and his books were not being published. So his landlady told him to sell vegetables that would make him more profit. So he started selling vegetables, and after 2 to 3 days his vegetables died a gruesome death because he could not save them. He tried to revive them by spraying some water over them, but he could not save them. So it was very funny incident which he created very humorously. There are many other incidents which has been portrayed beautifully in this book. This book also has some pictographic elements which makes the book interesting. I've read different novels. After a period of time it becomes boring for the reader, but this book contains some pictographic elements which maintains the interest of the readers. So it's a value-based book. And another reason for recommending this book is that those who are a nature lover or an animal lover will definitely love this book, and they are going to admire Ruskin Bond for his writings. So definitely you should go for this book. I will give this book a 4-star rating because I liked it a lot, and I shall always recommend Ruskin Bond books to my viewers. His first book, which was The Room on the Roof, which he wrote at the age of 17, I'm reading that book currently, and I shall be making a review or analysis within a week maybe, so I'll post it on my channel next. Dear viewers, it is my request to you all, those who have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe the channel, because on this channel we make a lot of bookish videos. We give book analysis, we give book recommendations, we give book reviews. So do not forget to press the notification bell over there and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching this video, friends. Have a nice day.